It can be a Pyrex dish. It can be anything that's clear, because the idea you're going for is that it's floating.
Yes, that is very cool.
Okay, so here's a blown vase.
Mm-hmm.
And anywhere in between.
So tell me about after. So these just pop off after they.
Yeah, if you glue it down.
Like if you have a nice bowl like this one here.
Yeah. This isn't going to be very hot right now.
So it
but
just.
That's. I mean, you can get any kind of
nail
that you think is not going to rust out on you.
Okay.
So you can either put it right on the bottom of the container, or you can glue it to the bottom of the nail.
Oh, I see. And then just it just dries probably pretty quick.
Yeah, it does.
That's cool.
And after days, it's going to lose some of its adhesive anyway.
Oh, right. Okay.
And it'll probably pop right off.
Okay.
It's not that everything you could say from year to year, unless you had a whole shop full of them.
Right, but it's neat because it can turn anything into a vase.
Yeah, exactly. So this is obviously an ashtray.
Yeah.
That I liked. So I just randomly decided that 3 were going to be enough in here. Do this one.
Okay.
And then you're going to do those 2.
Okay.
And you can decide how many we have.
Okay.
A variety. We have the fully doubles. The white with a little lemon. This one's beat up. And there are more if we need to cut them. The peachy ones. The double center, but that's
the peach
trumpet center.
Unique.
You just cut it off and you see your hollow stem.
Right.
And oops, this was a little too tight for that. But anyway, for today.
Oh, that makes sense. So you have to make sure you get a thick end of
This one is a little thicker. So the hole is going to be bigger. See how easy that went on?
That is great.
And you can see how hard it is to do this. You can keep trimming them until you get where you want to be.
Okay. And it doesn't take much water and...
No, it doesn't.
That is great.
You really need to look at them and see what kind of... Like this was an interesting one, but...
okay, I'm just going to wing it. Less thinking, right?
Yeah. I mean, there's no wrong answer here. So